Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites. Livestock farmers are to be hit with a hike in prices for animal feed supplied by Nutrimix today. The company announced a hike in prices due to the war in Ukraine, which was invaded 3 weeks ago by Russian forces. Nutrimix, a division of Caribbean Broilers Group, pointed out that as the conflict in Eastern Europe develops, coupled with ongoing increases for agricultural commodities, the company is witnessing historically high raw material costs, which directly affect the price of feed and food. Rising fuel costs and adverse weather conditions are driving up the price of fish this Easter. The price of the protein, which is normally consumed in large amounts during the Lenten period, has gone up more than 20% in recent weeks, due mainly to scarcity. Fishermen blamed the weather and also the cost to go to sea, with fuel prices rising rapidly in the last few weeks due to the war in Eastern Europe. And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.